Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are going to start with the basic of multisim, one of the most powerful and beginner-friendly tools for circuit simulation. If you are just getting started with electronics or you are an engineering student looking to practice circuit design, then you are in right place. We will go over what multisim is, explore its interface step by step, and even build a simple circuit together. So before we open up the software, let's take a moment to understand what exactly is multisim. Multisim is a circuit design and simulation tool developed by National Instruments. It is widely used in universities, labs, and even by professionals for testing and simulating electronic circuits, all without needing physical components. Basically, Multisim is like your virtual electronics lab. You can build circuit using drag and drop components, simulate them, and even use virtual instruments like oscilloscope, multimeter, function generator to see how your circuit performs. Whether you are working with analog circuit, digital circuit, or even complex circuit, Multisim has tools to help you design, simulate, and understand how this works. And the best part is you don't need to worry about blowing up resistors or burning out LEDs because everything happens on screen. Alright, now that you have got an idea of what multisim is, let's open the software and take a tour of the interface. Alright, once you open up multisim, this is what you will see. At the top, you have got your main menu and toolbar. This is where you will find the option to create new project, save your project, place component, run simulation, and many more. Here you will find all kinds of components like resistor, capacitor, transistor, ICs, and logic gates. The big area in the center, that is your workspace. This is where the actual circuit building happens. Basically, this is your lab bench. To connect component, just click on a pin and drag to another. You will see a line appear, that is your wire. On the right side, you will see instrumental toolbar. This is one of my favorite. Multisim gives you virtual lab instrument like multimeter, oscilloscope, and function generator. You can drag this into your circuit and use them exactly like you would in the real lab. At the top, you will also notice simulation control, those play, pause, and stop button. Once your circuit is built and ready, just hit the play button and your simulation starts running instantly. Finally, down at the bottom, there is a toolbox. This gives you extra information like the list of components in your circuit, simulation logs, and even any error or warning you need to fix. And that's a quick overview of the multisim interface. And now we will build our very first circuit in multisim. Don't worry, we will keep it super simple. For that, we will first place our all required component to our workplace. For that, click on place and here you find component option. Click on component option and this tab will appear. To open this tab, you can simply click on Ctrl plus W and now click on all groups and here you find basics. Click on basics and there is an option for resistor. Click on resistor, place it to workspace. Now we need one DC power source. For that, click on sources and click on power sources and here you find DC power. Click on OK and place it to your workspace. Now we need one LED. For that, click on diode and here you find option for LED. Here we have different color of LED. I will use blue color. Click on blue color and then OK. Place it to workspace. Close it, and now we need to complete this circuit. For that, connect DC source to resistor and resistor to LED and negative terminal of source to negative terminal of LED. As you see, our LED is off. Now we will run this simulation and see what happens. As we run this simulation, LED start glowing, and you see there is a warning message: no ground nodes was found in your circuit. For that, now we need to add one ground over there. For that, we will first stop this simulation and click on ground. Here you find ground. Click on here, place it to our circuit. Now close it and run the simulation again. Here you see we don't have any warning, and if you want to measure voltage across LED, for that we will use multimeter. For that we have to first stop this simulation and click on multimeter. Place it to our workspace and connect positive terminal of multimeter to positive terminal of diode and negative terminal of multimeter to negative terminal of diode. As we know, to measure the voltage, we have to connect voltmeter in parallel. Now double click on it, and here you see our multimeter is already set to measure voltage. If you want to measure AC voltage, then click on it, and if you want to measure DC voltage, click on it. Here we need to measure DC voltage. Now run this simulation, and here you see voltage across the LED is 3.3 volt. So there you go. You just built your first circuit in Multisim, simulated it, and even took some measurement. That's the beauty of this software. It is fast, accurate, and feels just like working in real electronics lab. In the next video, we will explore different type of simulation in more detail. If you found this useful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.